Over here, a couple of unique solution to offer from the HP workstation product line. The first one I'd like to take you through is our Top-End Z800 workstation. Now this particular machine, if you can just have a look at this, is completely modular in design. This is first of its kind in the industry, which has come up with this particular design, and Whisper sound technology, which is basically it creates a very less vibration and sound. The configuration of this machine can go up to 192 GB with close to 9 to 10 terabytes of storage capacity. We can put in 2 high-end graphics card on it. What we are showing over here is that with such a large configuration, it becomes important that how do we optimally use the hardware resources. We have virtualized this workstation. So you can see that there are there's a set of TFT keyboard and mouse, right? There are 2 TFT, 2 keyboard and 2 mouse connected to this workstation. And how we have virtualized this, on one we are running Windows XP as an operating system, and on the second front we are running Windows 7. We have divided the resources of the workstation so that 2 users can work on it simultaneously. The advantage of it in this particular industry is that a user can work on a particular graphics application for his pre and post work, and can fire the render at the back end so that his front end work does not suffer. So another value add that we are showing over here is our unique software solution, which we call it as Skyroom. This is a video conferencing plus a collaboration software which is bundled with every HP workstation. So this is the window of Skyroom. What I have done is we have connected these 2 workstations, the Z800, which is a top of the line workstation, and the Z200, which is our entry level workstation, through a network cable. I've also opened up a Skyroom session over here, right? What I'll do now is that this is, as you can obviously see, the video conferencing session going on over here. But the advantage of the Skyroom over any other video conferencing utility is that it can also help you in a 3D intensive collaboration. Let me just show you how. In Skyroom, I go to this particular radio button which says start sharing. I press on it. It says me to select a screen area. I can just select this particular screen area which I need to share. I go to this drop down value, say all participants. Over here on the other machine, it has already says that HP2, which is this particular machine, has requested for a sharing. I click on this part. So the window which I had shared over here opens up on this machine as well. Now you will just notice that on the main machine we have Max loaded. On this machine we don't have any application loaded, but we are still able to take control of that machine and work on this particular application. So if you see, the actual computing is happening on the other workstation. What this particular software does, it captures the frame buffer, which is nothing but the pixel, compresses it, sends over the network to the machine. Over here you have the keyboard and mouse stroke which is captures, and the main processing happens on the main workstation. Let me also take you through another very unique value add of HP. As you can see, this is our new entrant in the workstation product line, which is a Z200 workstation, which is based on Intel i3 and i5 platform. And what we are running or showing over here is a CS4 platform. To this particular workstation I connected 2 of our professional range of TFTs of 24 inch. The difference between these 2 TFTs, this is a professional IPS panel which works on 8-bit technology, whereas this is a professional IPS panel which works on a 10-bit technology, and we call this as a dream color, so which typically contains 1 billion color as compared to 16.7 billion color in any normal TFT. The advantage of this particular TFT is gives you an option of certain preset color profile like an Adobe RGB, Rec 601 and sRGB. what we are currently showing over here are the raw images of sRGB format, and you can see the finer differences in the color over here. Obviously you are able to see the raw sRGB and the true images, whereas over here it is the image which is processed by the engine of this particular TFT, right? And you don't get a true color over there. So this is a fantastic solution for the color critical application and for the users who need to work on the true colors. So these 3 and 4, these 4 are the values that we are trying to show. Obviously there's the 800 workstation, parallel software, Skyroom, and HP Dreamcolor TFT. Thanks a lot.